Now I'm on LX09 FBF for the it's nearly going to be the last time basically, because there's no blinds, and knowing TfL, they will definitely decommission it in the next few weeks. So I'm going to be sad, you know, to see these go, as I remember these when they're like, what is it, when these were introduced on the 269, and then like in East London as well, like Stratford, Beckton, yeah. So I'm glad I got to go on this for the last time. There's no need to worry, as this bus will be sent to Manchester or like Newcastle, as these still have a long way to go before they like reach the end of their lives. It's just TfL, the vehicles need to be, I think it's 15 or 16 years of age, so like before they are like decommissioned, because they are very strict on, like, you know, old buses and stuff. Yeah. And after this bus has done its duty, you'll be sent back to MG, where it will be in storage, I believe, or it may come back out tomorrow morning for the Dartford RRPs. So all you need to do is just go on the line of route between Lewisham and Dartford and just hope for the best that you catch it. See SN58 CFG, I think, or C. So that one's out as well, but I've already been on that one lots of times. You'll see it going down the road in a few moments. But that one is like, still has a long left to live. There it is. Still has a long way to go before it gets decommissioned, as it's with Go Ahead Commercial, so it's used in their school routes, private hire, for events like Alexandra Palace. If there's like an event on, it can be used for that. I do love a fast driver. He is literally pushing her to a limit. It's nice.